All right, everyone, this is day 5 of our Binance Smart Chain meme coin buying challenge, while we are using DCA dollar cost average to buy PHT and other meme coins. So without any further ado, let's dive in, let's dig in, and let's go straight to the main business. So we are going to be buying another meme coin again, and after that we'll buy PHT as usual. So this is the meme coin we are going to be buying now. All right, it's called Matara, and the reason why I want us to buy it now is simply because the market cap is less than 100k right now. Okay, so we are getting in at a huge discount. All right, so now that the market cap is less than 100k, okay, so we have an advantage. All right, so eventually if the price surpasses 100k, gets to 200k, will be a massive profit. Okay, so but before we buy, let's check the chart. All right, so don't forget, I say we are not going to be buying blindly. So from the monthly time frame, it shows that this particular meme coin, okay, is actually new. Okay, look at the candlestick. All right, if you click on the info, this is not even up to 3 months. Okay, it's not even up to 2 months. Peer created 22 days 14 hours ago. All right, so but the major reason why I wanted to buy is simply because I can find the Matara on Fire Screener. Okay, so this is Fire Screener. Okay, so most of the meme coins right here are, legit. All right, so and don't forget, this Fire Screener is owned by PHT. Okay, so that's to show you that PHT has utility. All right, so PHT is something that is, like they are building something massive, and Fire Screener is just one of it. So with Fire Screener, you'll be able to see other meme coins, their burning rates and other stuff like that, their market cap. So, and people are actually paying to list their meme coin on Fire Screener. All right, so the team behind PHT, they are making money from this alone. Okay, just like people pay CoinMarketCap to list their coin on CoinMarketCap, just like people pay CoinGecko to list their coins or tokens on CoinGecko, other people are also paying the PHT team for their meme coins to be listed on Fire Screener. Okay, so which is really mind-blowing. All right, so we are not just buying a shit coin that has no utility. We are buying a meme coin that has utility. Okay, that's for the PHT. That's why our major meme coin is PHT. Our major focus is PHT. So every day we are buying, we must make sure we buy PHT. All right, don't forget that. So now let's go back to the chart. Okay, so from the monthly time frame, you can see this is actually retracing. Okay, it's retracing. So it has pumped, it's retracing. So if we check the daily time frame, you can see that it's actually currently on the support level. Okay, so how do I mean that it's on a support level? Okay, so it has tested this particular level, okay, twice now. Okay, 1 2. So as you can see, it's glaring. Okay, it has tested this level once. Now I tested it again and it bounced back. Okay, so and this shows that the buyers are pushing the price upward. Okay, so there are people buying at this level. So anytime it gets to this level, people are doing what? They're adding to their bags. So, and you know what? We don't have to anticipate. All we just have to do is to participate. Okay, let's join the buyers. Since they are buying here, let's buy from there too. Okay, So we don't have to stress ourselves. Let's do what? Let's follow the gang. Let's follow the buyers and participate with them. All right. So that's one of the major reasons why we are going to be buying this particular token right now. Okay. So I'm going to copy the contract address. Then we'll go to our, OKX wallet and buy. All right. So let's check how many holders this has. Okay, it already has 1,890 orders in less than a month, which is mind-blowing. It's mind-blowing. So currently it has 27 buyers, 16 sellers. The liquidity is locked, 25k. So the total supply is 676.5 billion mass. So it's not even up to 1 trillion. It's not up to 1 trillion. It is not up to 1 trillion. So if this does perform well, even with $2 or $5 purchase right now, you can still make insane profit. Yes. Just imagine this, if this does 100x, okay, with $1, automatically your $1 will be $100. Your $5 will be automatically $500. Okay. So this is mind-blowing. So let's just go to OKX and do what? And buy right now. OKX, right, BNB. So let's click on swap. So let's paste. So, and take note, guys, all the others meme coins we've bought too, if eventually any of them go go less than 100k market cap, we could actually still decide to buy more, depending on what we are seeing on the chart. All right, depending on what we are seeing on the chart, because we are not going to be buying blindly. As I said earlier on, okay, the chart will be our guide. So now let's buy this with 0.0063. Okay, so let's buy with like $5 as well. So I'm gonna click on swap, understand, then confirm. Okay, confirm. So one of the major reasons we are buying this, it's currently on the support level. Okay, the market cap is less than 100k, giving us which makes it have more rooms, more potential. And also it's listed on the fire screener, so you guys can go and visit fire screener. And if you have your own meme coin, because anybody can actually create a meme coin, it's only me that have not created meme coin. Okay, so and the reason is I don't want to create a shit coin. I don't just want to create a meme coin for nothing's sake, because every other person is creating meme coin, so I should just go and create a meme coin. I don't want to do that. I want something that will have utility. Okay, and before that, I pray God will help us on this challenge. If every one of us make crazy profit on this challenge, I believe I have people like you to be able to back up the project. You understand? Because when you create a project or a token or a coin or a meme coin, if you have people that have money backing, the project, it will be solid. All right. So that's what we want to do. You understand? So that's why I want us to take this thing serious. So every one of you that are taking this challenge serious, if I eventually create a token or meme coin, you are definitely going to be among those people that will back up the project. All right? So let's take this thing so serious. Okay? So actually almost all the meme coins on this fire screener page. Okay, they all have potential, but we can't just go and be buying every one of them just one by one blindly. Okay, so if you go and visit them, don't just go and be buying blindly. Okay, so make sure you are watching my video updates. We'll be buying them one by one, and we'll be checking the chart. If it is like, if any of them is like, we know that okay, this one is ready for us to buy, we'll buy. Okay, so that's just it. All right, so now we bought, what's it called, we've bought mass. So what's next? What else? Okay, let me copy. Okay, I'll still copy the contract address or link and paste in the description box so you can use that to go and buy. All right, so always check the description box. Don't go and be searching for the token or meme coin name on the screener so you don't buy fake ones. Okay, so be very careful. Be very, very careful. So now let's buy PHT as usual. All right, so I'm gonna click on PHT right now. So I'm gonna click on swap. I'm gonna click on USDT. I'm gonna click on BNB. Then 0.0063. All right, understand. Confirm. So now I want you guys to notice something. All these meme coins we are buying, if you notice, they are not pump and dump meme coins. All right. So what I mean by pump and dump is, like, there are some tokens or meme coins you buy. Immediately you buy them. Let's say you buy with $5. Suddenly that your $5 can just turn to like $20. You'll be excited, like you want to go crazy. It can even get to like $50. Then few minutes later, you see that $50 or that $20, it turn to arches. It turn to it will turn to 1 cent. It will turn to 1 cent. Okay, even sometimes, like, you buy a meme coin, it will not even go up as well. The next thing, immediately you buy with, let's say, your $5 or $10, it will crash. Your money will go to zero. All right, so I can't use my money to buy such, and I will never recommend such. So let's just stick, with what we are doing. All right, so these meme coins you are buying, they also have, backup. They have support. You understand? They have support. They have community behind them. You understand? That's why they are not pump and dump. Okay, like, they have strong community behind them. Okay, so, and I want us to take this thing so serious. Okay, let's take it so serious. All right, so as I said earlier on, let's keep buying and see what happens by next month, October. Okay, though this is a 90 to 100 days challenge, but I personally, I am expecting result in the next 1 month. That's for me. Your own could be more than that, but mine, 1 month. I'm expecting results in the next 1 month. Like, start seeing results, start seeing some, some gains. All right. Do you understand? So that's just it, guys. So little by little, we are progressing. Okay, we've accumulated how many meme coins so far? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All right. So it will actually get to a point whereby, some of these meme coins that we bought, okay, if it requires us to buy more, we'll buy more instead of looking for another meme coins to buy. Do you understand? So when we look at the chart, we'll see that, okay, this thing is something that we can still buy. We buy more, we add to our position rather than, looking for another meme coins to buy. So that's just it, guys. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Until next time, peace out.